Hey guys, so now it is time for the bathroom reveal. I'm so excited about this because just like the bedroom is much brighter, much more, let's see the old before we see the new. And here's the same entry point. Here's the old bathroom, here's the entryway. And as you can see, the bathroom is burgundy, gold, and a little cream thrown in. The walls are more of a creamy color, beige, and it's not dark, just a little bit more old-fashioned, I'd say. Traditional, I'll say that. And I love the colors when I put them in, and I still think it's a cute little bathroom, but of course it was just time to update with the rest of the house. So here's the little 3-tiered shelf, and then we'll peep into the shower real quick. And we did not replace the towel, you all. We still have the same towel. It's just too expensive to replace, almost like redoing a kitchen. That shower is expensive. So here's the newly decorated bathroom. As you can see, I was going for a cooler color palette, just like the bedroom. So I went with grays and white and a little bit of black just to ground it some, because I am sharing it with my husband. And but he loves it. He loves the bedroom and the bathroom. He says, I'm going to the hotel tonight. So he loves it. But yeah, I went with gray, different tones of grays. And this vanity, I repainted it. As you saw in the previous bathroom, it was brown. So I just painted it. And I painted the edges of the mirror as well. My daughter said I just went crazy with the spray paint. And that light fixture, I spray painted that too, yes. It used to be a bronzy gold. I spray painted it silver. You can do a lot with spray paint. I spray painted it chrome to go with the chrome fixtures on the faucet and also the shower hardware. But then everything else is chrome as well. So of course I just wanted everything matchy-matchy. But I have different textures and things going on too. I painted the edges of both mirrors gray because they were brown. One was brown and one was a bronze metal. And I just painted them to go along with the bathroom. I cut cost on a lot of the small things just to save a few coins. Like I spray painted that toilet paper roll holder. Yes, that is chrome spray paint. The toilet brush holder, I found that at Ross's. It was about $7.99 or $9.99, I think. I'll put the prices below. But I found this cute little Mr. and Mrs. sign. I found that at Burlington's. It was about $6.99. And this gorgeous crushed glass pump I found at Walmart. It was about $11.99 or $12.99. But I mixed up my own lotion, mixed with a little Vaseline for after the shower. And that basket I repurposed. It was in the basement. I forgot what I even used it for, but it was already silver. And I put toilet paper in it. I absolutely love this wall shelf, so I kept it. It was gold in the last bathroom, so I just spray painted it chrome silver. And I just put a few little new accents on it. I didn't want to junk it up. Just put some cute things on there, but things that I use. And over here on the wall, this gray hanging, I purchased it from Burlington's. It was $6.99. And these 3 smaller wall hangings, I purchased them from Family Dollar. They were $6.99 as well. So I put 2 here, and the third one was at the entry of the bathroom. So cute. Black, gray with touches of silver. And the wall hook that holds the towel, I got that from Amazon as well. The bath rugs I got from Walmart. They were the Better Homes and Garden, and they were bought separately. They were 3 separate prices. The garbage can came with the kitchen garbage can. It was a bonus can, and so I could put the smaller one here in the bathroom. And it is so cute. You can't see everything in it, which is great. But yeah, these rugs are so plush, and they just feel so good under your feet. Really, really nice. And I love these curtains. They're fairly sheer, but I love the look. I purchased those from Amazon, and I'll put all the prices below. And then here, this 3-tiered shelf, love it. I painted it. Painted it gray, just like the vanity, and I spray painted the little rods chrome silver. Yes. The silver trays and the swab holders I purchased from Dollar Tree, all for $1 each. And that candle holder, I spray painted it chrome silver. It was like a bronzy brown. And I'm loving the spiky green plant and the little lavender flowers for my pop of color. The cute shower curtain was from Home Goods for $14.99, and I even found these glass hooks from Burlington's for $4.99, and they match all the other little round glass balls. And on my third try, I found this nice Delta shower head. It is detachable, but, well, the handheld part is detachable. The other part is stationary, but it comes off like this, and you can spray yourself down and use it for easy cleaning for the shower, just spraying the shower down. I love this. But anyway, it has about 5 different spray points that you can use. There's a massager, there's a rain shower, just different settings that you can put it on. And then it just fits right back up into the main section, just clicks back up in there. I love this, and it has a wide head, so it covers a lot of surface on your body, and it feels so good. It feels so good. So I'll do a review on this coming up soon. This is my shower caddy, which I love. I didn't see where I could put it up by the shower head, and I asked my husband, can you put it over here on this wall? But no, he would bump into it, or I would bump into it with our arms. So I did try to, I played around with it, and I found a way to make it work. I just tilted the head, and the cord is going to go to the side, and because we need room for our shower gels or soaps and towels to lay. As far as putting our shampoo and conditioners there, we need that space too. So we needed this somewhere in the shower, and I'm glad I found a space for it. The shower head was from Home Depot, about $62.99, and the shower caddy was $19.99 from Old Time Pottery. This American Standard chrome faucet was just $20, you all. I love it. It's so sleek and shiny, and we got it from a discount place. It's brand new items, but they're half the price of, say, like Home Depot and Lowe's. So it was $20. And these soap holders I purchased from Old Time Pottery. I believe they were $12.99, and the other smaller one was $7.99 if I'm not mistaken. But I wanted to do chrome in the bathroom, and I believe I pulled off the chrome. Loving this faucet, of course. Like I said, that was $20. And this little accent bowl I purchased from the Dollar Tree for $1, plus the little black rocks from the Dollar Tree for $1 as well. Also, the toothbrush holder, it was about $12.99 also from Old Time Pottery. And these cute little tie bags I purchased to match all the rest of the glass in the bathroom, but I got it from Amazon. They were 2 for $8.99, and they are so cute. This rod I purchased from Walmart. The curtain rod, I got that from Walmart and found the little glass edges too. So I was searching for little glass balls everywhere. And behind the door, our towel racks are there. I bought the towel racks from Amazon also, and I think they were $17 each or something like that. The towels I got from Old Time Pottery. And the behind the door hook, I purchased that from Amazon. That's where we put our robes when we come into the bathroom. And our towel racks used to be on the back of the door, but we switched everything around. And yeah, this is the look of the bathroom overall. I love it. If you haven't seen the bedroom redo, check it out. Also, I'll link it here. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, the links to the Amazon purchases are down in the description box below.